welcome to Fun Frolic. Today we are going to learn about transport. Before going to start, if you haven't subscribed our channel, please subscribe it and hit the bell icon for the future notification. Hey, do you know what is transport? Let's find out with me. What is transport and what are the different means of transport? Transport means movement of a person or goods from one place to another. So, means of transport will allow people and goods to be carried from one place to another by using different ways. Means of transport. There are three means of transport: water, land, air. Let's travel by using one by one. Land transport. Those means of transport that move on land only are called land transport. It is most common means of transporting people and goods from one place to another place. Examples of land transport are bus, school bus, tractor, truck. All these are four-wheeler vehicle. Car. This is also example of four-wheeler vehicle. Bike. This is two-wheeler vehicle. Bicycle. This is also two-wheeler vehicle. Auto. It has three wheels, so this is three-wheeler vehicle. Train is also a land transport. It can carry heavy goods and the people for long distances at low cost. Metro is also example of land transport. Its speed is very fast. Means of transport that move only on water are called water transport. Water travel is slow as compared to land and air travel. Ships are used for traveling long distances and to transport huge quantity of goods to faraway places via water. Example of water transport. Boat. Boat is used to cover small distances while ship is used to carry more goods and passengers for long distances. Submarine is used under the water. Sailboat and boat are used for short distances. People enjoy boat by riding in lake and sea. Air transport. Means of transport that move in the air only are called air transport. Air transport can move people and goods from one place to another very quickly, but it is very expensive. Example of air transport. Hot air balloon. Hot air balloon is used for short distance. Aeroplane. Aeroplane is used for long distance. Helicopter. Helicopter is used for short distances for carrying people and goods. Fighter jet. Fighter jet is used during war. So children, how was the video? I hope you like it. Please let me know in your next travel what means of transport, land, air or water you choose. Thank you for watching. See you in next video. And please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Bye bye.